into the wild.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be using some new kit that I've bought, which I'm really excited about, and I'm going to be cooking in the woods, which is even more exciting because it is now about lunchtime when I'm filming this and I'm really hungry. There we go. So in this bag you can hear lots of metal rattling around. I bought the mini grill, the original Bushcraft mini grill and anchor from TJM Metalworks, a UK based company, do lots of handcrafted stuff, and I'm really stoked about this because it means I can carry this lightweight grill around with me in here, not in that bag, get rid of that, and I can cook pretty much anywhere I want now. I've been looking at these for a long time. It just saves the hassle of trying to prop stuff up on a fire. It saves the hassle of trying to, you know, balance stuff on twigs to get it working. I've got this with me in my pack all the time. It's super small. Look at this. This is awesome. This is the Bushcraft, original Bushcraft mini grill that I'm really stoked about cooking on and with and using over the fire. I love cooking in the outdoors. I love cooking with the kit that I've got. So yeah, let's get to it. This is the kit. So they recommend first of all when you get this is to wipe it down. So I'll give that a quick wipe here and here just to clear off any of the residual oil. So look at that, that's the anchor piece right there that I'm holding here, cleaning. That can hold my cup and kettle. The grill, look at that, size about the size of my hand, which is perfect. That'll stow away nicely in my bag. And I love a good bit of bushcraft cooking, or just general cooking in the woods anyway. Cooking's good. So I've given that a nice wipe down. And then let's see. So it comes with two poles. One inserts into there. And then I'm just going to push that into the ground. Make it nice and stable. And then this is the coolest thing that I love about it. This will just slide on, it locks into place. That's my grill, and then this one is my pot hanger for kettles and cups and whatever else. How cool is that? That just looks awesome already. So bushcraft cooking, what have I got today? I have got over here, let's bring it over. So this is what I'll be cooking on it today. Got some ciabatta garlic bread, got a couple of bits of salmon and some asparagus. Over behind the rock, got some oil and condiments, a bit of salt and stuff to make it taste really good. So that'll go on there. So I love cooking in the outdoors. It's one of my favourite things. Everything tastes much better when you're cooking outdoors. So let's get the fire started. Look at this, just move them around out the way. So I've got my cup, look, I'll just hang on there nicely. I'll just put my fire strike on there for now. Start splitting up a bit of kindling. Okay, so what I'll do is get my knife, and I've got the inner bark here. This is cedar, and I'm just going to scrape up the fibres off the inner of the bark. So what I'm going to do is just start from one end and work into the other. Got some birch bark there. I'll do the same process as before. A little bit scraping, hungry. Want to get the fire going. Right, let's try and get this started now. I've got a nice little pile of dust. Get a few scrapings in there. Oh, there we go, a little bit of fire. Whoops, too keen there. Thinking about what I was going to do 4 steps later on. I'm being driven by my belly right now. Here we go. Steady. There we go. Let it do its thing, Dan. Birch bark never fails you. There we go. I'm just going to let that get stronger. Yes. While that's doing that, let's get the water boiling for a cup of tea. That'll go on there. So easy, no fumbling about anymore. Got it all ready. Okay. So with my salmon, I've got some olive oil, got some honey. It's a little bit of honey to paste on there, just a little bit, just to give it that sweet glazed caramelness, which would be lush. That's it. Drizzle a little of oil over everything, over my asparagus as well. Put chopsticks out of the way. I'm well stoked with this fire. Look at this. This is great. Everything's ready. Packs down nice and neatly into my bag. Happiness is a grill. Who would have thought a grown man would be so happy over a grill? So thank you, TJM Metalworks. It's all handcrafted. When I ordered it, they said it's like it can take up to 2 weeks. It didn't take long. It took under 2 weeks for it to deliver. Super stoked by it. Super stoked. So a little bit of salt. And what else is in this? Sea salt and seaweed and dill. There we go. Dill is a good combination with salmon. I love it. That can go on the asparagus as well. Just dish it out. There we go. Boom. I think that'll work. Let's get my salmon. What I will do, actually, put a little bit of oil on the back of these. Oh, this is going to be the best. Yes. Look at this. I'm well happy. Way. Keeps you on your toes, doesn't it? Whoa. That's delicate. Oh my goodness me. I can move that out of the way. In fact, I'll lift it up and out of the way. Get my cup just there. Let's have a look, see how that water's doing. Close to boiling. So if I just lift that right up there. Oh, this grill is the best. Really is the best. Let's do some eating. Look at this. Look at that salmon. Look, just falling apart. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, that's so good. Everything tastes better cooked outdoors on an open fire. Wow. Okay. Wow. So good. So, I don't know what I was going to say there. Happiness is a woodland meal. Look at that. Quick and easy. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you like a go, if your mouth's watering, what else you want to see me cook, what other stuff you want me to do, please do so. This has been my favourite video so far because I'm getting to eat loads, which is the best. Really simple food. I hope to see you in the next one. That's the end of this video. To the wild.